Red invited me to his house. Oh, hey, Red.
What's up, guy?
So, we're going to play on the PS4, Call of Duty. Alright then, let's get to it. One of those PS3 games.
Yeah. Old ones. And a few from my brother.
Okay. That's
Play
nice.
all my freaking crap.
DVDs.
Yeah, all my DVDs and Blu-rays.
Godzilla vs. Kong. A bunch of...
3 movie collection.
3 movie collection. It features Godzilla vs. Kong, Godzilla, and Kong Skull Island.
I even have this one too.
The original Godzilla. Kong Skull Island. Oh, okay. Anyway. Let's get into the game. Alright. Well, the game loads. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. It's gonna be OP. Like Mike plays, still playing with the plastic gun of theirs. You can't even customize it.
Like this. So you can add these stuff. Like attachments to this gun.
Attachments.
Oh, there you go. It matches the back of the gun.
Alright. This will be so exciting. So all my content will be available for everyone.
Huh?
Yeah. Alright. Let's get in. Let's go. Alright, yo, Red. You just played COD round and you kind of, well, sort of won.
Oh,
Yeah. Now we're gonna play Minecraft.
Yeah.
Screw you, Eric. Your phone ain't bad.
Okay, let me get you set up.
Right. When the setup happens, let's wait. Yo, let's play some PS4. Let's get into the game. 0% sugar. Fortnite has 100% sugar.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot of sodium as well.
Alright. Make a new
Right.
This is like Bedrock doesn't even have. This is what Bedrock doesn't even have. They don't even have these properties.
Wait, is that Java?
No, this is console.
Oh.
They don't even have
Console.
this.
Oh, dang.
Java has this. No, I don't think Java has it. But, oh yeah.
Oh, TNT.
Let's go to all of them. Alright. I'm gonna put villages enabled. That's it.
Shipwreck. Put Shipwreck as well.
Well, it's not ocean.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess.
Alright, that's fun.
I'm so excited to see this. If you guys are too. Yeah, you guys look. PS4 Minecraft.
And the PS4 version is handling the TNT.
This is a PS4 Pro. Nintendo Switch, I don't think could handle that. Eric's can't.
I don't think the PS3 and Wii and 360 can.
No, I don't think they can.
No,
Once it starts, who's gonna stop it?
the PS4 like Wii. It's doing stronger than the previous gen.
Yo, just played some console edition. Now we're gonna play some Bedrock. I wonder how that's gonna go. Let's check it out. Modded Bedrock edition. Let's go. Too bad you can't mod your Fortnite playz. 1.17. Lol. It's true. It was connected to a multiplayer game. So excited. Let's go. Yo, Wither versus Wither Storm. Let's go. Oh, dig. Let me show you. Now this is a battle. To the. Oh no, it's disconnected. Sorry, still nothing. Sorry for the long wait, but if you want, I guess you could just wait. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. And that post notifications so don't miss the content. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
See you guys.